Good evening, everyone, and happy long weekend and happy Deepavali to our Indian friends, okay, and of course to everyone as well, because we celebrate all this together, right? So that's why we have our holiday together as well. Okay, give me one moment. I need to get this done. Oops. I need to get the Facebook site done. I do not know what is happening, but it's always I can't connect to Facebook. Connecting error server handshake. I don't know what is this, but save changes. Set up live video. Nope, it's not working from Facebook. Let me share this out for everyone first in Facebook, okay? And of course, if let's say you have any questions, you can post it in the comment section and then we will look into it later on. Hi everyone, join our live stream on YouTube. Okay, done. So let's get started. Right now, market is having a rebound over here. So I know there's a lot of people, retail investors are very happy about it. Okay, so and but don't get too happy about it because from what I see is the market is going to be up down up down up down for some time. But of course, not all the stocks that is going to be bad. Just that you need to be very careful on what kind of stocks that they will continue market up higher. So from what I see in the top active list from the last trading days, those that is a bit, some of the penny stocks, you have to be a bit more careful into it because they are churning stocks. So if you don't want to get yourself trapped in this kind of stocks, then you have to be a bit more careful into it. You can see these kind of stocks are pretty scary. Why? Because they are churning the price every day, up and down, and then yes, although it mark up like this, but when they throw down is very scary. So you can see one shot they throw down very fast. So they'll keep churning the price up higher and higher to attract the buyers to come in, so that it's like a washing machine, washing their shares out into the market to those who come in. Okay, so be careful with these kind of stocks. Then of course you can look into it, the rest of it. So far what I see, the one that is running on is like those construction stocks, which they have a price up, which I have told my students on Thursday that to look into this kind of stocks because I put it into homework. Look into these few stocks that it shows that they have intention to mark it up higher. Okay, so how do they have the intention continue to move price up higher over here? Is that we see when the price is going down, no volume are showing up here, but it's at the bottom here, very high volume. If it's a selling pressure, why the price is not going down lower, right? So this is the question we always ask for our operator analysis. Then after that, the price are being marked back up higher, and right now the price moving sideways. So this actually shows that they still have a bit of intention to mark the price up higher. So this is how we analyze using the 5-minute charts, looking into the price and volume, which you don't learn this anywhere else in the market. Okay, so that's why this is very important for us to look into it. And of course, some of these stocks like glove stocks, a lot of people are looking into it. Everyone is very happy about it because they have been stuck into these stocks for a very long time, maybe at a very high price at 7 ringgit or maybe 5 ringgit point. So right now they see some light of hope that the price is start to mark it up higher. So 2 weeks ago, we have shared about this glove market that's going to have a rebound, which is around 4th of it. So yes, it's already a rebound. So right now, do they have the intention to continue to mark the price up higher? then we need to look into the 5-minute charts and see whether they have that kind of intention or not. So we need to see all this. Seems like it's not much of intention of it, because high volume comes up but the price don't move up higher. So doesn't really seems like they have. It's more like they see enough of retail investors are coming in, so that's why they are selling a bit of shares. But overall, what we see here on the last trading days, high volume comes in but price are moving sideways. So these are telling us that they have a little bit of support, but it's not enough to say this is a support. The reason is because the last trading day is very low volume. Okay, and of course this also tells us that there's not enough buyers in the market, so they might continue to mark the price up higher to attract more people to come in. Okay, so if you want to look into these kind of stocks, then you have to do a trade which is more towards the short term, so that you won't get anything when it start to press it down lower, then it's dangerous. Okay, so the homework over here for the students, our students, to test, not to say test, practice in the market, how to see whether the price is going to peak, how to see the price is going to at the bottom, any of the rebound. So it does not say that all of this over here will have a price up. Okay, so you need to do your own analysis into it to find out more. All right, so what we see from here is that those that we say that they will have a retrace, then it's really have a retrace, and then those that is not, then it's not. Okay, so from here the changes, the price is still down, then okay, so it seems like this one will continue to go down lower. So in the market, I think right now you can focus a bit on the bigger cap stocks for the upcoming weeks to look into it. The rest of it, I don't think is much of the thing you can look into it. Although there are some stocks that are showing some sign of accumulation after the accumulation, so which is a good sign, which means the market seems like it's still okay. Then the rest of it, if you want to be safe, to lower risk, avoid any risk of sudden changes in the market and create a huge price fall, then go for short-term or day trading is much more easier, better way to look into it. Because overall, the whole world, not just Malaysia side, we are going through some election, and also is not so sure whether, today, right, China's Xi Jinping is going to announce the new, I don't know, the new position for his someone below. So we're not sure, okay, whether he will continue or not. So but yeah, and then other countries, a lot of other countries are also ongoing for election, so a lot of people are staying at the site, even for the institutional investors. So that's why we have to trade with care, and in this kind of moment, it's good not to enter for a long position, a long-term position. The reason is because the market actually moved up and down, right? So how to reduce our risk is that we knowing when to move in using the right trading method. So if the market going up and down sideways like this, then it's better for us to look into it is doing for more short term, because the stock price might go down lower. So if let's say it goes down lower, then you'll go enter into a long-term position. So basically you are just buying at each of the price fall. So your risk is higher in that case. So this is how I measure my risk. So it's not about like long-term then is lower risk, or short-term is higher risk. No, long-term can be high risk when you are in the wrong timing, and short-term is high risk if let's say you do not know how or which one, when are they going to mark the price up higher. So that is how we look into the market. And if you want to know more, tomorrow we will have a webinar about how to find those stocks that they will continue to mark the price up higher after the rebound. So you can go to our website or Facebook, find out about it, then register. Okay, do the RSVP there in our event, our website, roundandsearch.com. So you learn more from that itself. Okay, I'll share with you on how some of the technique to look into it. Okay, so basically market right now, look into some of the bigger cap stocks. Those smaller cap one, try be a bit more careful about it. Don't get trapped inside those stocks, so it's not that good. You can see some stocks are marking up higher, even though we are in the same sector. Some might be going down, so be very careful on the selection of the stocks. And best way is to know how they are going to mark it up higher, which we will be sharing tomorrow in our webinar. So sign up for that. And basically, market wise, I don't think it's that bad. You still be able to trade, but the same thing is it's gonna be choppy, moving up and down, up and down. Be careful on how you trade it. Okay, use the right trading method into it. All right. So that's it for my sharing here. Thank you very much for joining, and remember to give us a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this out to your trading friends. And I'll see you guys again next week. All right, and enjoy your holiday. Thank you. Bye bye.
Round and Surge. True traders react to the market.